Laoganma, a major chili sauce maker in China, is a must in kitchens for Chinese living overseas. But it is hard to imagine that Laoganma was created by a village woman in southwest China's Guizhou province. In 1996, Tao Huabi, the founder of Laoganma, established a factory under her nickname Laoganma and specialized in chili sauce production.
做辣椒也好，调味品也好，不管你开饭店、开酒楼都好，实实在在的做，脚踏实地的做，这个质量是关键，有了质量都有市场。
Over the past 27 years, Laoganma has developed into one of the largest chili sauce production enterprises in China, with annual sales of billions of yuan. They export to 130 countries and regions, including Australia, New Zealand, Japan and South Africa.
一直以来，我们坚持品质至上，对每一颗辣椒、每一粒黄豆等原料都精挑细选。为了调制出更符合市场需求的口味，我们面向全国采购辣椒。
The company produces 21 species of chili sauce, including fried chili in oil, spicy chili crisp, and hot pot seasoning, and has helped 200,000 rural households increase their income.